everyone, Grandma Lou is back with a quick video. I wanted some stuffed apples, and so with that, I'm gonna make some stuffed apples. I had some around the house, some Granny Smith, good old Granny Smith apples. Those are the green apples, if you're not familiar, and all apples are high in fiber. And so I said, I'll make me a little quick sweet treat. And so the recipe calls for just taking 2 apples and decoring them, taking the inside seeds out and just washing them and splitting them in half. And then we're gonna make a little mix of some cardamom. And if you know me, if I don't have something around the house, I say, oh, what can I substitute things for? So I didn't have any cardamom, which is a spice, but a good substitute is allspice. And then the recipe also called for cinnamon. So I'm gonna take 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of the allspice that I have measured up here and pour it into the bowl. And then 4 teaspoons of vegan butter. And I'm actually going to nuke the butter real fast. And that'll help just with the stirring. And then we have some walnuts, 1/4 cup, and then 1/4 cup of cran raisins. So we have our butter nicely melted. So it's softened. Tell me to stir it all up. And because this is so quick, essentially we're just going to stir up the vegan butter and the spices into this bowl here. And we're going to add our walnuts and cran raisins. Now, another substitution, the recipe actually called for raisins, and because I didn't have any raisins, but I did have some cran raisins, I said, oh, what another lovely substitute. So you learn to substitute with what you have, in the home. And so we're going to stir everything up. And then essentially I have my air fryer already heated on 350 and preheated. And we're going to take the mix of the cran raisins with the cinnamon and allspice. And then we're going to put a pinch of salt onto it. And we're going to stuff the apples and let them bake for 20 minutes. So I'll come back after they finish baking. All right, so we're back. And just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou. You see them. Those little apples have roasted on 350 for 20 minutes. Can't wait to jump in.